Hey everybody, got an exciting video for you today. Want to highlight the GDP bot for your use on your website for free for 30 days. Give it a shot, give it a try. I'm going to show you how to set it up right now. And if you don't like it for whatever reason, then you can just go ahead and email me, which will be in the letter that you get when you sign up. And then I'll just go ahead and simply cancel that for you, and you won't receive any charge. Now, if you do receive a charge and then later want to cancel, you'll be canceled on the next billing iteration. So in other words, if you do get charged and you forget to cancel, that charge is non-refundable. That will be in full effect for the 30 days for that next billing period, but you won't get billed from any point in the future. So it's only $12.99 per month. You can keep the bot as long as you like. You can delete the bot if you don't like it and then recreate another one. You'll always have one bot. If you need more bots or want more bots, give me a shout out in the email letting me know what your needs are, and we'll work up a special price that's agreeable to everyone. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and create your new bot. This will be your dashboard, your landing page. Here you will land, and right now there's nothing here, so it's not too interesting, but you will see the leads that you are capturing the last 7 days, 14 days, and then the total leads that your bots have collected for you over a period of time. Now, I do offer a white glove service, which means if you're intimidated at all at any part of this, again, shoot me an email from the sign up email that you'll get. And again, we can discuss what your needs are and come together with some amicable price that you think is fair. All right, so click the new button, give your bot a name. I'll just call it my bot. And at this point now you get into this area, which is kind of showing you what's going on. So this is what happens out of the box. You get this hello, it's called you and bot, right? And so you can change all of this. This is just your default hi there message. Here's your powered by GDP. There is an extra fee. If you would ever like to remove this, again, give me a shout out in an email. We can discuss your needs and all of that in any great length or form, but nonetheless, this is here as a watermark that, again, can be removed if you so choose, but in order to keep the price super low, we leave it there so that we can get more clients for ourselves as well. But if you do want to remove it, we do have a fee for that. Okay, so you change the widget title here by my super cool, bot, right? So maybe not capitalized on super, but nonetheless, let's come down here to hit save. Okay, so I click here. Now we have my super cool bot at the title. Welcome message. We'll just do something like this. We got these little emojis, right? And so now this comes up. Let's come down to the bottom. We'll save again. Click this. Hello, how are you today? I'm here to help, right? So you can change a good many of these. Now, call to action message. Message next to the chat icon. It's like, I am a action. Right, so let's go ahead and save this. Give it just a second to kind of do its thing. Takes about 5 to 10 seconds, and then boom, this will show up on your website, and it kind of is like a little call out, get people's attention. And so you need to make sure that you put a good compelling action message in there to kind of lure somebody to say, wait, what's going on here? Click this. So you come up with whatever your message is. Now you can choose to show this on all your pages on your website, or you can choose very specific. And now this URL must contain, and you need to put something that you need to have in the text. So if you only want your chatbot to show up on a landing page, a home page, a very specific page, this is where you configure it, how you would configure it there. Okay, and then your fallback message is basically if the robot doesn't know what's going on, you would never do this. I'm just saying, I'm stupid. I have no clue how to help you. Okay, that's really bad. So I'm going to also change it to orange, make a couple of these changes. You can do custom colors with hex codes. Anyway, So we've got a whole bunch of things here going on. As you just saw, I changed a whole bunch of superficial stuff. How old is this guy? Right? That's something it should not have any clue. And then you get that, I'm stupid, I have no clue how to help you. Okay, so now you see how all of these things come into action. Okay, this is all well and good, but this is getting you nowhere. And so what you need to do is, after you've saved off kind of your look and your feel and your initial configuration, you need to move on to make it do some really cool things. Okay, so let's make it do some really cool things. Let's go into the Flow Builder. Now the Flow Builder is something that's pretty cool, because this is the powerful area that you drag these blocks out of this left side, and then you can simply do whatever you want to do with them. Okay, so let's go through them. Message block sends a message to the user. A question block is what asks questions from the user, and then when they provide an answer, that answer is then kept in a programmatic variable. That's really computer geeky speak for basically anytime you get an answer to the question that you ask, it gets stored in memory of the computer or of the chat, and it gets logged into the sessions. Okay, so maybe you'll just want to do something like this. You'll drag a message out. You can click this little box. You can do, this is my first block message. Okay. Boom, bada bing, save the message. That's great. Okay. Now the field, I can give it a name. We'll just call this first. We don't need to save it or do anything with it, but you could do something with it later if you so chose, but I don't know why in this particular use case you would do that. Anyway, now we can ask a question. Let's just say, and this is also another question you probably might not ask in this way for this context. How old are you? Okay, and you save the question and only allow numbers, and then you might want to provide some text. Okay, only give me text for an answer, and I'm going to do a hard return here, and let's make this italicized. Okay, and ... and we'll save the question there. Okay, so this is enough to show you. Here's a multiple choice. What do you like? Let's just say animal. We'll call this animal, A-N-I-M-A-L. And let's see here. Let's do, what is your effing? Okay, couple different things. I could leave it like this, and you get this area of option choices. This is probably a good use case. So you can do like survey answers. There's a couple different ways of doing things here, and the first easy way is the way that you see it configured here. So I'll do dog. We'll do dog. We'll add a choice. We'll do cat. And let's do one more. Lizard, maybe. All right. So we've got all of our choices here. And so let's go ahead and save our flow. That is just enough to get to see what's kind of going on here. Okay. Give it a second. There we go. We'll hit return, and now we're back out at the main menu. Let's reset the chat. Let's see what happens. We'll wait a second, and we'll get our little chime thingy here going. All right, that's great. Hello, how can I help you? Now, remember, we put a message in the block, so that's the first block message. And now it says, how old are you? Give me numbers for an answer. So I'm going to put, I'm 21, I wish. But in any event, I said I was 21, and now it says, what's your favorite animal? Dog, cat, lizard. Let's go with lizard. Okay, so this is all well, good, and fine, but let's look over here at responses. You see, now we're getting information. Now I want you to start to have this resonate with you. Think about creative ways. Oh my goodness, I'm asking people in an interactive way. I'm being able to save this information. Think about lead generation. Think about all of the different types of questions. Your idea is to engage somebody enough to extract a phone number and an email or some kind of way of identifying them so you can reach out to them in the future. And so this is going to be really helpful to help you grow your business, grow your leads, grow all kinds of stuff. I've barely scratched the surface with you at all. I do offer one-on-one training with these bots. So if you would like to get onto the calendar, it's very, very easy to do. You can simply come over here to get started with AI. First, make sure you sign up first. And then after you've done that, over here at Georgia Profiles here, let's come over down to here to the bottom. Boost your marketing ROI, schedule a consultation, and then as soon as you do this, you'll come over here to my website. I'm David Soden, and you'll be able to get on my calendar, and I will set up a one-on-one training session with you so that you can harness the power of AI for yourself on your websites with my chatbots. So look forward to seeing you soon. Lots more to show you, lots more to learn, but go ahead and give it a free trial and experiment. Kick the tires, see what's going on. And then if you're interested in that custom training, reach out to me from that email address that you'll get in the sign-up email, and happy to work with you. Otherwise, just come over here, schedule a time to chat and talk, and we'll go a little bit further. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.